Travel starts here. The journey doesn't begin when you check into your hotel. It begins the moment you step off that plane. And those first few minutes, they define everything. Think about it. You've just landed. You're tired, your head is in 3 different time zones, and suddenly you're hit by the crowd, the noise, and the flashing signs. This is the moment of maximum vulnerability. Then comes the regular taxi lottery. The long queues, the unpredictable drivers, the mysterious smells, and that awkward price negotiation while you're already in the car. It's not just a ride, it's a source of unnecessary tension. I remember landing in a rain-soaked city exhausted, with heavy bags. I didn't just want to get there. I wanted to be met. I wanted that feeling of a boutique hotel experience starting right at the arrival's gate. That is what an airport transfer truly is. It's not just transportation, it's an insurance policy for your state of mind. It's the difference between navigating a city and being welcomed by it. A professional transfer doesn't shout. It doesn't create drama. It just works. It's a silent, reliable service that respects your space and your time. At GetTransfer, we believe in real people for real life. You don't need another cold algorithm. You need a driver who understands the context. Think of them as a driver and a friend in a new city. Flight delayed? Plans changed? We wait. We give you control back exactly when you need it most. Fixed prices, no surprises, even if the roads are packed. And then there's the car. Match the ride to your mood. Whether you need a quiet, smooth business class or a spacious premium van, you get quality that doesn't require an explanation. Premium cars at economy prices. Your calm arrival is booked in seconds. Just enter your destination, choose your car class, and get offers. It's that simple to secure your peace of mind. With GetTransfer, you're accessing the largest global travel mobility marketplace. Over 150 countries, 100,000 vehicles, and 24/7 support. We've got you covered globally. A transfer is the first scene of your trip. You can start that scene with chaos and other people's rules, or you can start with one clean feeling: it's handled. I can breathe. Choose the feeling. Book your transfer.